We wanted to design a room that could accommodate patients with a range of abilities that was aesthetically pleasing and in keeping with the standard in the hospital in general. We chose Motion because of the high quality design specifications that were made available to us, the level of safety and flexibility of the accommodation, and they worked with our contractors and architects to ensure that everything was fitted in the right positions. Above all, it had to be safe, where all of the special features could be removed simply by clinical staff. I think most of our disabled patients using the shower room will find it in keeping with the rest of the building, and that they won't necessarily feel that they're using a disabled space. It was designed around their needs, but is perfectly in keeping with the rest of the hospital.